The next question is, a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from the point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. So there is a TV tower and a point just opposite the canal, and from that point the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is given as 60 degree, and from that point 20 meter away we are taking another point, and from the second point if we are looking to the top of the tower the angle of elevation is given as 30 degree. And there are two questions. We have to find the height of the tower and also the width of the canal. So let this be our TV tower and this be our first point. Okay, so this is a TV tower and there is a point just opposite. This is a canal and there is a point. We are taking a point just opposite the TV tower on the other side of the bank, and from this point the angle of elevation to the top of the TV tower is given as 60 degree. Okay. So this is the case. This angle of elevation is given as 60 degree. Okay. Again I am taking another point from on the same line, and thus the difference between these two points is given as 20 meter. From this point the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is given as 30 degree. So this is the case. Okay. So here the angle of elevation is given as 60 degree. Here the angle of elevation is given as 30 degree. We have to find the height of the tower and also the width of the canal. That means the distance between the tower and the first point. That is actually the width of the canal. So what all we have to find? We have to find the height of the tower and the distance between the tower to the first point. That is the same as the width of the canal. Okay. So we will draw it. So let this be the canal. AB be the canal. I am taking this as a point, and again I am taking another point C, which is 20 meter away from B. Let AD be the tower. Okay. From B the angle of elevation is given as 60 degree, and from C the angle of elevation is given as 30 degree. And the question is to find AD, that means height of the tower, and also width of the canal, that means AB. So which two right triangles you can see? It's a tower, so it will be 90 degree. Which two right triangles? One is ABD and the second one is ACD. So I am going to take and again one more thing. Instead of AC we can divide it and take AB plus BC. Okay, so I am taking the first triangle ABD. So from triangle ABD, which two sides we can connect? This and this. That means opposite sides to angle 60 degree and the adjacent side. Which trigonometric ratio? Tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to AD divided by AB. Okay, what is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to AD divided by AB. So we are getting AD as AB into root 3 when cross multiplied. Let that be there. Take the next triangle. Next triangle is ADC. So from that triangle ADC, there also we are going to apply opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 30 is equal to opposite side AD divided by adjacent side AC. Instead of AC, how we can write from the figure? AB plus 20. AB plus BC. BC is the distance between the points. It is given as 20 meters. So here we will write AD divided by, instead of AC, I will write as AB plus 20. Okay, and we know the value of AD as AB root 3. That also we will apply here. We will write as a next step. Tan 30, what is the value? 1 by root 3 is equal to, instead of AB, we will apply the value which we got in the earlier procedure. So we will write AB root 3 divided by AB plus 20. Just cross multiply. 1 into AB plus 20 gives you AB plus 20 is equal to AB root 3 into root 3. What is root 3 into root 3? 3. So AB root 3 into root 3 will give you 3AB. Take this AB to the right side. So we are getting 20 is equal to 3AB minus AB. AB means actually it is 1AB. So 3AB minus 1AB gives you 2AB. 2AB is equal to 20. So that we are getting AB as 20 divided by 2, which is 10 meter. What is AB? It is the height of the TV tower. Sorry, width of the canal, 10 meter. Okay, again we need AD. What is AD? AD is AB root 3. AD is equal to AB into root 3. That is 10 into root 3. 10 into root 3 is 1.73. So we are getting the value as 17.3 meters. So we are getting height of the tower as 17.3 meters and width of the canal as 10 meters. Okay, so this is the figure. Keep this figure in your mind.